Hello everybody, we're back. Oh, what are we doing today? This looks like something we did already. Oh, Ralph, we're going to have a great time learning how to do some more math. All right, 5th grade, remember how when we were trying to find equivalent fractions, we would multiply by the number 1. So, for example, we would take 2/3 and then we would multiply by 2 over 2. And that would give us 4/6. Well, today I'm going to flip things around for you and make things better. Oh man, this just does not sound like fun. All right, let's get to work. How's this going to work now? Well, Ralph, let me tell you. Today we're going to learn about how to take a fraction and reduce by dividing by 1. So, since we just did this, it should be pretty simple. We can see that as we look at the number 4 and the number 6, we can really talk about the factors. We see that 4 has the factors 1, 2, and 4, and 6 has the factors 1, 2, 3, and 6. And right like that, you can see that, hey, there are 2 that are the same. So if I were to take 4 and divide by 2, just like 6 divided by 2, I would get 2/3. Right? 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3. But in the end, you look very carefully, it's still just the number 1. Well, that seems to make sense, but I don't know if I'm quite getting this picture. Let's put it in a different sense. All right, kids, take a look at this picture here. You see I have 2 cherries. I want to share them with my friend, but one of them is divided into 8s, and I have 6 8s. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here in this cherry. And I want to reduce it to 3/4. And you can see how the picture really is the same. But how does 6 8s turn into 3/4? Once again, we want to find a common factor, right? CF, common factor. And in this case, 6 and 8 are both even numbers. So I can say, okay, I'm going to divide 6 by 2. And I'm going to divide 8 by 2. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3, just like 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And so you've taken the fraction 6 8s and you've reduced it down to 3/4. All right, Ralph. Hopefully they're getting it. Well, don't leave me hanging. This looks harder. Let's check out this scenario. It says if Juna had 5/9 of a cookie left and Ricky had 1/9 of a cookie left, how much cookie was left? Oh, I don't know if I can do this, Penelope. Don't worry, Ralph. I'll help the kids. All right, kids. We see 2 fractions here. We see 5/9 of a cookie plus 1/9 of a cookie. And so if we add those together, right, denominator stays the same. So we're going to put the 9 right across. And then we're going to take our numerator plus our numerator, and that's going to give us a 6/9. However, by the time we get to the end of this problem, we see a fraction that can be reduced, right? 6/9. And so I want to take this, and I want to say, okay, what can I divide from 6 that I can also divide from 9? And of course, I see that, well, 9 is divided by 3, and 6 is divisible by 3 too. And so in the end, I'm dividing by 1. So what does that equal? 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And so in the end, it's not 6/9 of cookie, it's 2/3 of cookie was left over. Oh, I get it now. This is all making sense. Well, here are some sample problems to help you get you on your way with reducing fractions by dividing by 1. Have a good day. Smile, Ralph. All right.